Hi Year 17 Year 8s, in Ecclesfield School we're going to be celebrating Science Week next week. So we want to encourage you to do some experiments at home, because of course we can't do any in school at the moment. So this is the first of a series of videos where your science teachers will be giving you a chance to have a go at some science at home. And we're going to start with mine today, which is where you're going to have a chance to make a cloud in a bottle. It's really easy. The only things that you need are a plastic bottle. Pop bottle like this is perfect, and I fill it with water to about 3/4 full. Okay. Now the only thing you need is some matches, so please just take care, make sure you've got a responsible adult having a look at your safety when you do this experiment. So the first thing to do is fill up your bottle to 3/4 full with water. Straight from the tap is fine. Now, what you need to do then is make sure you've got the lid tightly on, and you need to shake the bottle, okay? Give it a good shake. Now that means that the air which is in this section of the bottle is now saturated with water droplets. You've mixed them together. Now we can't see them, and a cloud of course is where you can see those water droplets in the sky. Now we need something to spark off those water droplets so you can see them, and that's going to be the smoke particles that come from a burning match. So I'm just going to loosen the lid so it's easy for me to do this. So light the match, let it burn, open your lid, put it in, and it will go out. Okay, put your lid back on. Now you can't see anything just yet, but what you need to do is pick up the bottle. If you squeeze the bottle and release, squeeze and release, you can start to see a cloud forming inside the bottle. Now why is this? Well, the reason there was no cloud forming at first was because there's nothing for those water droplets to form on. And we've added the smoke particles from the match, and it provides something called a nucleation site. So it's a site where those water droplets can form. And when you squeeze the bottle, what you're doing is you're changing the pressure inside this section. When you squeeze it, you reduce the pressure. You can see that cloud's disappeared. Okay, you increase the pressure here. When you let it go, you reduce the pressure, the temperature drops, the water condenses, and it forms on those little nucleation sites from the smoke particles from the match. Give it a go, see if you can make yourself a cloud in a bottle, and I hope you can post some videos or some pictures of yourselves doing the experiment. You can either post them to the Twitter page, make sure you tag us at EchoSci, or you can put them onto your own class teams page, or you can go to the science page set up by Mrs. Green to put your posts on. Thank you very much, guys.